Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei MatePad 10.4 and today I'll show you how you can change this home screen animation. So at the first you have to pinch your screen just like that. Right now go for the transitions. And as you can see here we got the couple of the transitions. So the first we got the perspective, squeeze. There we got also box. When you scroll on the right, I mean here, you can get another one. There's flip over, rotate, page, and wind mill. And that's all. So if you want to, for example, get this one, just leave it like that and click on your screen. And as you can see, our transition effect has changed. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.